Good morning, kindergartners. Happy Thursday. We're going to continue to look at some teen numbers today, and we're going to continue to talk about saying teen numbers the say 10 way, just like we did on Wednesday. Now, in order for this video to work perfectly, I may have to stop and start it a little bit. So if it looks like I jumped positions but nothing happened in the video, don't worry. It's because I stopped the recording and then started it again, okay? To start off, we're just going to go ahead and do a super quick review of the teen numbers, starting with 11. Count with me while I write. Ready? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. I'm going to fix that 8 on the 18 real quick. There we go. All right, so there are all of our teen numbers plus the number 20, which isn't really a teen number, but we put it in there just so that you can see what it looks like when we get another 10. Now the next thing I want to do with you is just break up these numbers into 10 and, okay? So here's 11. 11 is made up of 10 and one more. 10 and 2, 10 and 3, 10 and 4, 10 and 5, 10 and 6, 10 and 7, 10 and 8, 10 and 9, and then remember, I'll move my camera. When we get to 20, we have 10 and 10 and 0 extras because these two 10s go together. 1 10 and 1 10 make 2 10s, and that's where that 2 comes from. It's 2 10s, where on all the other numbers there's just 1 10 and some extras. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to say all the teen numbers real quick together as say 10 numbers. Ready? 10 and 1, 10 and 2, 10 and 3, 10 and 4, 10 and 5, 10 and 6, 10 and 7, 10 and 8, 10 and 9, 10 and 10, and 0 extra, or 2 10s and 0 extra. All right, so that was some great practice, not only counting your teen numbers, but also practicing saying them the say 10 way. Today, when you get your worksheet, you're gonna see a lot of different pictures, and it's gonna be your job to look at them and pick which say 10 teen number they are. So this is going to be the first point where I'm going to stop the video for a second so I can draw a picture real quick, and then I'm going to start it again. All right, so while we were gone for a minute, I just went ahead and drew some hearts up on the board. And what we're going to do, like you're just going to do today, is find the 10 and see how many extras there are. Ready? So the first thing we need to do is circle the 1 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it doesn't exactly look like a 10 frame. That's why I had to make sure I went ahead and counted it. I'm going to circle 10. And then how many extras do we have there? 1, 2. We would write this number as 10 and 2. Okay, So in your worksheet today, you're going to need to do some circlings of tens and then counting the extra. But you don't need to cross off any of the extras. You don't need to circle them. Then you'll need to choose the correct number. This one was 10 and 2. Okay, on your worksheet, you're going to have 2 choices on each one that you'll have to pick from. So that's worksheet number 1. And worksheet number 2 is going to be super similar. So I'm just going to pause this again so that we can practice it one more time together. Okay, finally, here's a picture of what worksheet number 2 is going to look like. You're going to see one just like this and then a couple of other pictures. They've circled the 10 for you, but let's just go ahead and make sure there's really 10 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then down here, you're going to have 2 text boxes around the word and. There are 10 in the circle and 1 extra. Okay, and just for a challenge, how would you say that teen number, 10 and 1? Do you remember? 10 and 1 make the number 11. So just so that you remember, we're practicing the say 10 way, but they're really just the teen numbers we're used to. 11, 12, 13, and so on. Okay? All right, good luck on your worksheets today, and I will see you tomorrow on Friday.